Hello friends and happy Vlogmas Day 17. Today is Tuesday, December 17th, 2019, and that means it's Day 17 of Vlogmas. I apologize that I look a little bit disheveled. I finished up work. It's almost 5 o'clock now. I just finished vacuuming like all of our floor space, which makes me really hot because it is 81 degrees outside. I mean, our AC is on, but I kept the door open for the girls to be out on the balcony, so you win some, you lose some. They're winning right now. But I got to clean up a bit. We do have some friends in town that are going to be stopping by soon, so I want to make sure we keep up with it on a more regular basis, especially with all the Christmas stuff out. We have some presents under the tree already. It's looking really great. And I know some of you wanted to see my Christmas decorations, so I thought I would do a quick montage now of all the Christmassy stuff we have out. It's not much, but I'm sure my collection will somehow grow in the coming years. So here's what we got. I hope you enjoyed that 15-second montage. Like I said, we don't have much, but what we do have, I really love. I love the stockings right next to the tree. We don't have a fireplace, and I've never had a fireplace to hang my stockings over, so the next best thing is the wall. And I really like how that's turned out. Just had one already in there, so I put another tack up, and they worked beautifully. But other than that, that's all the decorating I'm doing as far as I know. I know we wanted to put lights on the outside of our, or on the inside of our balcony, but outdoors. We haven't done that yet because, well, we just haven't done it yet, but we might do that before the season's over, and we'll probably keep them up for a while, just like we'll keep these ones up that are around everything. We just had so many, we might as well use them, and we strung them around the entire room, and they actually go down the stairs, but I didn't want to go down the stairs, but I promise they're there. Now, like I mentioned, it is very hot and very humid today, but that means thunderstorms are rolling in this evening. But Sam and I need to go to the grocery store pretty badly to pick up a few things. So we're probably going to face the downpour and go do that. But in terms of what else is on the agenda, I do have a lot of motivation right now. But usually once I eat dinner, then I'm like, I want to sit, I want to relax. So I'm kind of pushing off dinner until Sam gets home. But for now, I think I'm going to make more of a mess, even though I just cleaned the floor, and do some wrapping out here. I'll have my fan hooked up because I am boiling right now, and I don't know if it's just vacuuming that did that or what, but I am very hot today, and I'm in a tank top and shorts, and I'm still roasting, but I'm going to get to doing some wrapping, and we'll see how many presents I can get through this time. Currently wrapping a bunch of presents, hiding the other ones here, but I'm going to continue doing this. I'm not filming it because a lot of these are out of the box, so like people would be able to tell who they're for. This is just a blue shirt, so you can't tell. But I've done great so far. We've gotten 5 sets done. A lot of them I'm just bundling together because these are the ones I'm mailing out to my family. So they're just going to open them without me anyway. So it's fine if they're all together. They'll still have fun opening them. And it started downpouring outside. So the cats have come in, but and we're out of focus. Like, why is it out of focus? Come back. This is the struggle sometimes of low lighting thanks to Christmas trees, but we're here, we're still filming, but I'm going to keep wrapping. Sam's on his way home, and then we'll be eating dinner. And then hopefully I'll have motivation after that to do some scrapbooking stuff like I want to. So that's the plan, and I got to fold that laundry. But that's the plan, and then I'll have to pick up this mess. And I've just been watching videos on my phone because that's what I do when I wrap. And I have my fan on. Gosh, I need the fan. It's brutally hot and humid. So I'm not sure if you can hear it, but the downpours have continued all night, and we decided not to venture out to the store and just deal with not having a lot of milk or bread or, those kind of things, and that's fine. We'll hopefully be able to go tomorrow just fine and, pick those things up without having to be drenched in rain. But as for the rest of the night, we played our Kirby game as usual, and then we watched a bunch of the Disney shorts on Disney Plus, which I got a couple clips for you guys, but hopefully no copyright issues there. Fingers crossed. But I hope you guys enjoyed the decorations tour today. That's going to be the main thing for this vlog. But if you guys have any questions, let me know. Most of our stuff is from Michael's. Majority of the ornaments. Some are from Walmart. Some are homemade, which I've talked about before. All those bottle ones I made myself. Our stockings are really old. And then the banner or the wreath sort of thing. What do you call that? We'll go with bunting, sort of. I don't know what it's called now that I think about it. The more I'm looking right at it and I don't know what it's called, but I made that out of materials from the dollar store and Michael's, and I think that's it. I made that a couple years ago, I think. I think we had it in Maryland, so. But I really enjoyed how everything's decorated. I love the lights on at night. We have a little Santa cat back there, but the rain's picking up again. We have one window open. We'll probably have to shut that during the night. But I hope you guys enjoyed day 17 of Vlogmas. Hopefully 18 is a little bit more exciting and we'll go outside the house and hopefully the rain stop. I haven't checked the weather, but I have a feeling they're going to continue on for a bit longer. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Bye!